Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2018 model Subaru XV, 2-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 31,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, plate ending 8, keyless entry, push button start, cruise control, paddle shifters, auto climate control, touch screen head unit, leather seats, spare key fob, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Cash price, 768,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 191,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. / 2017 model Toyota Innova V, 2.8-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 57,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, well-maintained, cold aircon, plate ending 9, SRS airbag, reverse sensor, central locking system, 7-seater, fog lights, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Cash price, 888,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 233,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. / 2017 model Mazda 3, 2-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 35,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, plate ending 8, panoramic sunroof, push start, reverse camera and sensor, all power, all stock, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Cash price, 698,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 168,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. 2017 model Honda City, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 60,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, well-maintained, plate ending 2, keyless entry, steering wheel control, eco mode, spare key fob, all power, all stock, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Cash price, 498,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 97,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2014 model Hyundai Grand Trax HVX, VGT, 2.5-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 91,000 kilometers mileage, flawless in and out, panoramic sunroof, central locking system, leather seat cover, fog lamps, SRS airbag, reverse camera and sensors, all stock, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Cash price, 648,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 149,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2018 model Chevrolet Trax LT, 1.4-liter turbocharged gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 54,000 kilometers mileage, well-maintained, plate ending 2, keyless entry, push-button start, cruise control, touchscreen head unit, steering wheel controls, automatic headlights, power phone side mirrors, tire pressure monitoring system, reverse sensor and camera, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Cash price, 488,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 122,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.